Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Realme has launched the second version of the Realme Buds, and today in this video, we will be showing you the unboxing and overview of the Realme Buds 2. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product and the Realme Buds 2 written here with the tagline "Feel the Real Bass." At the back of the box we have some specifications, and here you can see some features such as 11.2mm bass boost driver, built-in magnets, dual NT twinning cable, and it comes with the cable organizer. The MRP of these earphones is Rs 799, however, it's available for Rs 599 on Realme website. So let's open the box and see the content now. So on the top we have the earphones itself. The packaging is really good, and even though they are the budget earphones, the packaging is good like the original Realme Buds. Realme Buds 2 in terms of features are very similar to the Realme Buds. This time we get the earplugs with slight design change, but we still get the magnets at the back of them to keep them at place when you're not using them. But to be honest, I really don't find them useful, as this feature is useful in the wireless earphones, but in the wired, they are of no use. In terms of design changes, there are minor changes here and there, and now you get the bearer cable above the splitter and sort of braided cable art style on the rest of the earphone. You also get this cable organizer, which you can use to tie the earphone cable when you're not using it. There is also one more change here, and now the controller which we have on this earphone gets the plus and minus in yellow color, but functionality wise it's the same, and you have the volume buttons here, and you also have this middle button by which you can pause and play tracks. You can also use this button to skip tracks, and upon long pressing the button, it will enable Google Assistant. Overall I can say that the build quality is good, and like the Realme Buds, I find them well built. Talking about the technical details, Realme Buds 2 comes with the 11.2mm bass boost driver, and let's hope they sound better than the original Realme Buds. Before we test the sound quality, let me tell you what else you get in the box. So in the box you also get a user guide and 2 extra pairs of ear tips. Now let's talk about the important part, which is the sound quality. To be honest, I wasn't that impressed with the first version of Realme Buds, and with them, I felt that the bass was a bit overdone, and due to that, the experience was not that good. Let's see if these earphones are improved or not. I've been using them for quite some time to listen music, and I can say that there is a huge improvement in these earphones. The bass is good, it's not too much or low, and these earphones offers right amount of bass which is as per my liking. The sound output is clear, and I didn't feel any distortion even at full volume. I must say it again that the clarity is wonderful, and overall Realme has refined them pretty good. The earphones are also really comfortable to use, and I have watched movies and also videos on YouTube, and I think these earphones are perfect for that. I have also tested these earphones for voice calling, and I was happy with the performance. Overall I can say that Realme Buds 2 are definitely value for money, and in Rs 599 you're getting a good build quality as well as the sound performance. Unlike the original Realme Buds, these are more refined when it comes to bass and offers much more clarity. The price is increased by Rs 100, but it's definitely worth paying 100 rupees more and go for these earphones. And right now after using them, I can say that these are the best earphones we have used in this price range, and we highly recommend these to you. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Realme Buds 2 earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have purchased these already, let us know if you agree to the points which we have covered in this video in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.